Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know some of you guys probably wondering, where is Rush? So this is it guys, another driving video. First of all, I'm Rush, the Discovery Boss, and welcome back to the Rush from More Reviews channel. If you're new to the channel, first of all, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free, so definitely subscribe and join the Rush from More Reviews family. Remember to leave a comment, remember to like and share the video as well so that more persons can see. So today we're basically on a drive from the market area downtown, so downtown market, on a busy Saturday morning. So we just passed, in the vicinity of Coronation Market, and we're heading to 3 miles. So this is a drive from the market district downtown to 3 miles. So stay tuned, enjoy the drive, leave a comment as well. I know you just saw, we're in the market. It's very, combusted, a lot of traffic, a lot of unruliness from drivers, a lot of shoppers as well in the market itself. Yeah, so leave your comments, let me know what you think about that. So it's another driving video, and again, you know that the channel is versatile, so today may be a driving video, tomorrow maybe me talking about a big patrol similar to one that I just went in. It may be a review of a new apartment, whatever is happening, the channel is always keeping you guys up to date. So now we're passing the Denham Town Police Station, that's on the right, and we're heading into the vicinity of 3 miles area. On the left is the Maypen Cemetery. I know every time somebody hears that, they're wondering what is Maypen Cemetery doing in Kingston, which is kind of weird. Honestly, I don't know all the history behind the cemetery, or even why they decided to name it the Maypen Cemetery and it's not in Maypen, Clarendon. But I'm sure one of you guys on the channel probably have some history on this cemetery, and in terms of why it's called the Maypen Cemetery as well. So we're now approaching the Horizon Adult Correctional Center. I know you may have communities with that name, but this is a prison. It's on the left. So it's Horizon Adult Remand Center. So we're getting closer to 3 miles. Sure if any of you guys got scared a little bit. So this is a wrecker transporting another trailer. You know, at first glance it would seem as if the trailer is coming towards me. Kind of funny. Alright, so we're basically in the 3 miles area. Alright, so this is the 3 miles area. Alright, let's just do a quick spin around the area and then we can end the video here. So I'll just go down this side and then I'll take a right turn right in front of the Hunts Bay police station on the left. It's right over there. So we'll take this right detour right here. And we come on to this road. Alright, so this is the 3 miles area. Recently transformed, you know, with flyover bridges. You know, I know most of you guys would have seen different videos through the construction phase. There are so many videos on my channel that cover the construction as well. So it's now finished. Just a few minor touches here and there, but for the most part it's finished. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. So we're coming from downtown market to 3 miles. Definitely leave a comment. Remember to share. Remember to like. And definitely subscribe if you haven't done so. And again, really appreciate the support guys. So see you on another video.